Next, we see the layout of the PMIC Samsung multi-programmer tool. This tool is extremely versatile, simple, modern, and advanced, allowing us to select the type of platform to program. We just need to select the platform and use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the VGH and VGL voltage to our preference without needing a computer or external device. We simply select the platform. Here we are programming the VGH, and we can see it affecting the memory positions, varying between the voltage of 17 volts, 19 volts, 22 volts, 24 volts, and 25 volts. We will use the clamps that can be placed in the socket on the left side. We press our button to select the platform called Select, and the two buttons of the right are plus and minus, designed to increase or decrease the range of the VGH and VSS voltage according to the type of fault or scenario presented by our monitor or television. We can see that it is as simple as placing the clamps and selecting the values to program. The construction of these tools is extremely easy. It incorporates a microcontroller with special booster software, a common 16+2 or 14+2 display available in the market, a support memory, a clamp needed for all our repair activities, whether it is 115 ml or 208 ml, and 3 buttons. With this, we will program TU8000 cards like the one shown, TU8500, RU7100, and U7100 AU8000 cards. AU7000, TU7000 cards like the one here, and TU6900 cards with this type of sock, among many others. We see that using these tools is so simple that with just one button, we can adjust the voltage corresponding to VGH and VCS. So, college, we invite you to the next meeting where we will be launching these types of tools, which is a true innovation for solving all types of car without needing a computer or external device like the RT809H, RT809F, or CH341. This tool performs all these steps in a single process controlled by a microcontroller developed by Boschers. We look forward to seeing you at the next meeting so you don't miss features and solutions of their tools fixing common issues such as very strong line noticeable in the sector with disabled color distortion, sudden shutdowns due to the PMIC detecting and overload on the AVDD line, HBDD line, or even the BCOM line. Overloads that go to the error comparator and tell the PMIC to shut down and protect the panel. Issues like this can be corrected without having the handle step up or step down converters or Stelner converters. Simply be programming the PMIC with the tool where we can perform these steps in 10 seconds. Receive a warm greeting from Electronic Boosters, dear Technical College. It has never been so easy to recover a panel by programming the VGH VGL voltage, and even in some cases the PCAM. Using computational tools, there is no longer a need to use the RT809H, RT809F, or CH341. You can use the Vulture tool, which is an automatic device allowing you to select the type of platform you will work with, whether it is TU, RU, NU 7100, AU, TU 6900, TU 7000, TU 8500, and many other devices. It programming simply by programming the SPI. The SPI 25Q80, 25D80, or 25Q14, which defines the operation of the PMIC. You no longer need to memorize memory positions. Simply connect your clamp, select the type of PMIC, and press it to program it. Additionally, we want to share the latest publications that will be realized. We have already published book number 1, Fundamentals of TVs number 2, 3, 4, and 5, and soon the virtual book number 6 of Techniques and Solutions in Panel, and the main board of 4K technology for Samsung and LG. So, it's invited to the next meeting. We invite you to subscribe to Electronica Vulture channel, like the videos, and activate the notification bells. Thank you so much.